Oh my, I seem to have a puncture. This started off as a small cut about 300 miles ago. And now it's developed into a full-on puncture. I've got a puncture repair kit. I'll take the tyre off, clean out the inside, put the rubber patch on the inside, and then put it back on. Hopefully it'll last another 300 miles. But of course, being tubeless, it got me home and I didn't even notice that I'd had a flat until I put the bike on the stand just now. So that's one advantage of having tubeless tyres. The Swabi Pro 1 tubeless setup. That's it, that's the tyre off the bike. I've scratched up the tyre, scratched up the tyre and put some glue over the area where the hole was. While that's drying, I'll show you the other bits. Here we are. This is the puncture repair kit for tubeless. So I've scratched up the surface of the tyre. I've applied some glue which is drying. That's the patch that's going to go on. Then that and that going to go back in the box, back in the shed. There you go, that's the patch fitted to the tyre. So wait for that to set and I'll also peel off the plastic covering of the patch. There we go. I tried to get the one lined up with the valve, but it's all done.